are back here at Winnebago. I want to show you the new one that they came up with this year. I'm riding with my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV. This is the Intent 26M, $87,000 today. Normally 116. Let's see what it looks like. And this is, of course, based on the V10 Ford engine. And this is a new model for this year, I believe. And it is quite nice. Of course, this is not the highest of the materials. This is wood-based, but it's still very, very nice, and it feels overall solid for the most part. And here we have a propane based range with an oven, and here I haven't heard of this brand before, but let's see what it looks like. This is I wonder, this looks residential to me, but it doesn't say. Yeah, it doesn't say, but I'll do more research for you guys. And here we have the shower, very tall, very nice. I would replace these on day 2 for oxygenics, by the way. And here's the bathroom. You have a lot of storage here in the bedroom area. Very nice, very large closet back here. So there you have it. This dinette, I'm sure it converts into a bed, and no sofa in this one. It's just the dinette, and the TV is there, so you would have to sit next to each other, cozy up there, to watch a TV in this coach. It's nice to have the social mirror, so you can chat with the people behind you. Although do keep your eyes on the road. Okay, let's look at another one, and then I'm gonna show you some of these diesel pushers, the Forza and the Horizon. But let's look at another Intent with the intent of seeing it. Oh, this one has a bunkhouse apparently. This is 89 today, but normally it's 122. Of course, this they have storage underneath, but let me just look inside for a second here at the floor plan before the hordes of people come this way. This one has the sofa, and it has the dinette, and it has a lot of counter space here in the kitchen back here, so you could probably put like a toaster oven or your instant pot or something like that back there, or a new wave here. Well, here you have a real oven, you know, propane, smallish microwave, the same Danby refrigerator. Okay, let's just look at the being partial frost free is a good thing though. Okay, this bathroom, you have a walkthrough. You could use it for the living room, but you could use it also directly from the bedroom, which is right here. The colors are beautiful. The color, and it looks solid. You see, real wood in here. Although I would have stained that maybe. Same here, same shower head that I would replace on day 1. Actually, if I want Winnebago, I would spend the extra $50 and get an oxygenics in here. I like the windows. I like the fact that it is not an awning style window, just because I don't like awning style windows. And here's the huge. So as I said, this is the Intent 31P. They're trying to fix something inside the Grand Tour, so I'm gonna go here for the Forza, and the entrance is on the other side, of course.
The selection is what brought us here, but the great service that comes with our membership is what keeps us coming back.
Hello. Okay, this is the Forza 38F. And if the number is any indication, this is probably a 38-foot long coach. Hi, good morning.
It's 38 foot.
Yes. And here we have propane stove. Very nice countertop. Let me see how deep. It's pretty good. Decent size sink here, convection microwave. Residential fridge. You have a probably fireplace down there. Very large TV where it should be, here in front of the couch. Dinette that probably converts into a bed. And you have a half bath here in this diesel pusher. You have this the multiplex lighting system, and these systems are, a lot of RVs are installing now, and you can have all the information in there, including turning off the lights, or like if you want to turn off the galley, you just go boom and it turns off. It's very cool. And back here you have a very nice bedroom. This, by the way, is a full-size slide here on the driver's side. And there is a slide here in the kitchen. Oh, it's two full-size slides, right? Yeah. That's why it feels so spacious. Here is and here's sinks here in the back, and you have the emergency exit right next to the toilet. Very nice. And since these coaches are so long, it's good to have an emergency exit near the bedroom, just in case. Never know. It's a nice shower, pretty tall. Yeah, with a sit, and yeah. His and hers wardrobe closets here. Oh, I forgot to show you this washer and dryer. How about that? Okay, now let's look at the horizon and see what the difference is. By the way, this is diesel pusher. While they finish with the grand tour, let's see if we can check out. Okay, no, it's not a full-size slide. It's we have a slide in the living room area and in the bedroom, and then the other side is the full-size lengthwise slide on that coach. Now this is the horizon, and let me see if I can show you inside. And then I'm gonna try to show you some of the storage down there. This is the water tank. Look at that water tank. That's humongous. And I'm not gonna go into all those details, but you can find them online, I'm sure. The sizes of the water tanks and all that. Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, this is nice. It's a different
Oh,
type
yeah.
of decoration. This is, of course, diesel pusher. And which model is this one?
This is the 46A. This is the new Winnebago, and it's the Horizon.
The Horizon.
This is the first one ever built.
Wow, but I like the fact that it's more sober colors. It's not all.
Yeah, there's nothing out there like it.
No.
It's been a huge hit here at the show.
And that is a TV that comes up electrically,
correct.
I'm sure,
Which
which is in the right place, right in front of the couch.
and that's an option.
And that's
TV.
an optional, and you have the fireplace.
And they got the big fireplace.
And this converts into.
This comes out.
Comes out.
And then you have leaves that go in here and 4 more chairs. Plus, it also goes back and forth, so you can get to the storage back there.
Okay, well that's cool. That's nice. And you can use it as a work area as well, because if you are like us working on the road.
Oh yeah.
Is this an all-electric coach? Because I see the induction.
All
I see the induction cooked up. Oh, this is very. I like this deep sinks as well. Oops. It's a two-handed operation. Let me just put the camera. And you have like lining in here. It's really cool. And these are soft closing. Do not pull here. Pull here. Yeah, I bet you someone will break. And this area would close. I guess if you don't want people to see your microwave.
There's a dishwasher below too.
And that, oh, I see. Well, yeah, this is top of the line luxury.
Oh yeah.
All electric coach, and how about the batteries? It's lithium or it's still regular?
Still regular.
Probably AGMs.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, 6 house batteries too for the motor.
Mhm. Yeah, because you need power. So when it's an all electric coach, you need a little more, especially with the. Well, I'm not gonna open the residential fridge, but you know how it looks. And here's the bedroom in the back.
Another electric TV up and down back there.
I see. Yeah, because if you wanna see the view, you can put down the TV and then. Oh. And here we have. This is a nice bathroom.
Oh yeah.
His and hers sinks. You can put a lot of stuff in this medicine cabinet. And the shower opens like this. Nice shower head. And I like the LED accents here on the shower. Very nice. Here we have another storage area, you know, for your toiletries and stuff like that. And this is a electric flush ceramic toilet. And back here you have a walk-in closet, almost walking. A control panel there. Definitely I like all the LED accents here. Yeah, very nice. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been a big hit to say the least.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah, because it's different.
I know.
Yeah, and very spacious. Yeah, this is a full-size slide, and then you have 2 slides on this side.
Yeah, 2 slides in the back, 2 slides up here.
Mm-hmm. All right. Very cool. Let's continue. And as I mentioned before, because in case I forgot, this is the Winnebago Horizon 48. It's a 40-foot coach and brand new one for Winnebago. It will retail for $394 MSRP, but show price $294, and I'm sure you can negotiate a good price for that. And well, this is tag axle Winnebago Grand Tour. And let me see if I can watch. Look at that, this huge TV here outside.
And we drove our new coach home. There's no reason to go.
Let me check out the storage down here. Okay, this is not the larger one, but I'm sure
we have our own personal team.
There's pass-through storage here on this side.
Educates us every step of the way while our coach is worked on.
No, it's not pass-through.
What impresses me about Lazy Days
Okay. There you go.
I'm confident.
Let's look inside.
Is getting the best attention.
The service is great, and you have access to the
This is the Grand Tour. It's priceless. You've got a GPS here for your co-pilot, which is pretty cool. This is huge. Of course, these are 2 slides, and rather substantial slides at that. Beautiful floor. Here's your TV that goes up and down, so you can also see the scenery outside. This is also different. I think Winnebago is thinking outside the box here with this Class A motorhomes. You have the multiplex wiring where you can control everything. There's storage here. There's a sunroof, or I would say skylights, because this is more like a home rather than a car. Here's this table, like in the other one that I showed you, they could move back and forth and up and down and out, in and out. So, and look at this, you have an island here in the kitchen. You know, this is something that was originally reserved for fifth wheels, and now they have it here in the in the Winnebago, and this retails $566,911, and they're giving it away for $449,125 today. Let's see what we have here in the kitchen. Induction cooktop. This is probably also an all-electric coach. And here we have a convection microwave, more switches, and this right here is, oh, it's a fridge. I guess they're trying to make the appliances not look like appliances. Like they're putting all this wood paneling, so it looks like a cabinet, but this is your residential refrigerator with a nice freezer down there, and I bet you then that this is the dishwasher, isn't it? Yes, it is. That's so cool. I wonder if this has a half bath here near the front for your guests mainly. Very nice. It is. I like all the LED accents that they're using on these high-end motor coaches. And I guess these are the different wood colors that you could have. Okay, let me get back here. This is some little storage there. This is probably his and hers wardrobes. Yes, drawers. Very nice bed. A little high up off the ground, but it is very nice. And here's the main bathroom. Of course, washer and dryer back here. You have your toilet, your emergency exit. This is an electric flush. And there's some people out there. And here's the other sink. And a very, very nice shower. Look at that shower head. That looks very cool. That's different for sure. And then you have a fold-down chair here. So it's a lot of the design principles of the other one that we saw, but with wood paneling, which I do like the sober style of the other coach, but somehow a wood looks richer, and this is a very, very nice diesel pusher.
If you have enjoyed traveling with us, make sure you are subscribed and check out my other videos. Also, share it with your friends, spread the word, and leave me a comment. Now, if you really liked it, you have a chance to show your support at patreon.com/travelingrobert. As always, thank you so much for watching, and see you on the road.